So we have the shrimps right here. These are started to devein. So what I'll do is I'll pull them out. See the vein in there. I'll get a knife, cut down in here. Just crack it right open and pull that vein right on out. Boom. Pretty simple. It's all in the crack. Pull, crack, and then just pull the vein right on out. Because they'll say that they're deveined and then they don't be. Just pull that vein out. So I'll be right back. As you can see, a little over half were deveined like the packet said. So now these are nice and ready to go. You want them to be no veins. See that? So I'm going to use my seasonings. Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming by. Today we are going to cook some shrimp here. So as you can see, I've already deveined the shrimp. You know, a lot of times when you purchase the shrimp in the bag, it'll say that it's deveined. Probably about half of the bag is deveined and the other half isn't. So I did a tutorial a little while ago to show you how to easily devein the shrimp. We are going to use my seasoning that you can purchase right down here in one of these little places down here. It is called the Coastal Catch. What's inside it is seasonings that I've always used, such as coriander, green peppers, paprika. We also have orange peel and an assortment of other things, garlic, right inside of here. But guess what? This is also salt-free. So a lot of times, you know, you're cooking with the shrimp or the fish and you're using a lot of salt because mostly everything has salt with the seasonings. But you don't have to. You can use this salt-free seasoning, and then you could also use butter. Butter has salt. Of course, you can buy butter that don't have salt. But right here, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of cilantro in here, and I'm going to finish out this fresh garlic. I'm gonna use a little bit of turmeric, more onion powder, and garlic powder. Then we'll finish it off with the avocado oil, and you can put that in your Ninja dual air fryer and air fry it, or you can regular fry it. I always love to use that smoked paprika, although we do have paprika in this seasoning. So let's go. Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming by. Today we're going to cook some shrimp. We're going to use my blend, which is a salt-free blend. Inside this blend, I call it the Coastal Catch. It has cilantro, it has orange peel, green peppers, paprika, all type of mixtures that makes this seasoning pair with the fish unbelievable. But we're also going to use some turmeric, and then we're going to continue. I already have that in here, but we'll put a little more onion and a little more garlic, and of course some fresh garlic. I like to cut up some cilantro because after we cut these up, we're going to let this sit and marinate in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now, the last video I had was showing you how to devein shrimp. A lot of times when you purchase the shrimp, it'll say, oh, it's deveined, but probably only half the bag is deveined. So we deveined it, and you can see right here how nice and clean that is and how easy it is to pretty much devein. Now, if you want a little more salt added to your salt-free shrimp, my suggestion would be to soak it in some melted butter, because butter has salt. Of course, you can buy the salt-free, but if you want some added salt, yes. And then top it off with a bit of smoked paprika. So what I like to do is I like to pat the shrimp down just to dry it. And pretty much, if you can, always use white paper towels, because when you use the printed ones, you run a chance of the ink getting on there, the dye. So I just pat it real easy. Put it right on in here. Okay, so now I'm going to continue to pat this cleaned shrimp dry. Quick. Now we're going to start with this cilantro. Remember, I always said for you all to cut away from yourself. Always cut away from yourself. And then start right here and let your hand guide. It smells so fresh. And this cilantro is inside, also with parsley is inside of my coastal blend seasoning, coastal catch, which is a blend. So I'm gonna put that over here. Remember we spoke about the salt, so you can always, please use Land O'Lakes, everybody. Put a little bit of that Land O'Lakes in there. And this will be it'll catch all of that seasoning. So when you purchase, oh, see, it's already got the top on there. Let me get another one. When you purchase these, they come sealed. And look at that. This is the way I season. I'm going to take just a little bit of lemon, just a little bit. Because lemon has that flavor that is very bold and brash. Some onion, smoked paprika. Just need a little bit of color. Turmeric. And I'm going to finish out the rest of this garlic. More. I was out of that new bottle. Garlic powder. And a little bit of onion. So inside of the Coastal Blend, it has coriander, orange peel. You know, a lot of times I cook with the orange peel. It has onion, garlic, pepper. It is such a great taste for fish. It also has some green peppers in here. So yes, if you all want to purchase this, you can catch it right down in the description under Spice, or you can go to the website at Spicedwithlove.com. Now, when you're ready, you can, now also I'm going to put a little bit of avocado oil in here. I'm going to mix this all up. And I'm going to let this sit for about an hour. Add a little bit more smoked paprika. And then you can put this in your dual air fryer. The one that I use is the Ninja. And now we're getting ready to add the cilantro. Ooh, wish you could smell this. This is all you need. You could fry it or you can air fry it. We will do that later for dinner. So this is great if for family of 2 empty nesters or 3. This is 2 with a little bit of leftovers. Thank you for coming to my channel. Again, my name is Lucretia, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Right now I'm getting ready to go and show a home because I'm also a realtor. right here in the Charlotte area, but I also have my license in Ohio. So I'm dually licensed. There you go. Looks great. Cover it.